Hey guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So how do you change your PHP version of your website if your website is having issue? How do you change the PHP version? And there are two ways to do that, but it all determine or it all depends on the hosting you are using. There are two ways to do that. The first way is using PHP, the normal PHP function, which is select PHP version, and the second one is to use your multi PHP manager. So let me show you. So now if you come search for sorry, PHP here, you're going to see the select PHP version here, as you can see. Now Namecheap doesn't have the multi PHP version. So now what does that multi PHP version do? It actually gives you option to change PHP version for different domain, right? So you can change PHP version for different specific domain. But on Namecheap, you have just one PHP version. So to do that, you just have to do is to click on select PHP version, and then you select the PHP version you want for this, and then you do your PHP version. Now that is one. Now secondly, if you're using a Namecheap account like this, like as you can see, you can select your PHP version from here, whatever PHP version you want, you can select it from here. Now because Namecheap does not have the multi PHP version option, if you want to do that on your own place, if you want to do that, now let me show you what to do. You go to your file manager. That's if if you're using Namecheap now, you want to change your PHP version for your script or your website. You go to your website. Now you create a folder that will be called php.init. I don't know where I did that folder. So, or you just rename any of your folder php.init and change the PHP version at the end of the day. But the thing is, Namecheap always give you room for that. They do that themselves for you, so you don't have to do that. Just tell them that you want to change the PHP version of your website. That's if you're using Namecheap. So, or you come here. That's if you have multiple domain, or you come here directly. You just come and then set your PHP version yourself, and that should be all right. Now, for other PHP version website, they have multi PHP version selector. That means you can pick any of your um, site and change your individual PHP version, right? I hope I've been able to explain how to change your PHP version for you. And you just come click on it, say 8.0, and then you click on apply, and you're good. So this is Namecheap. So this is what we're doing. So if you have a native account and you can't change your PHP version, just use the php.init what's it called now? File or code, or just talk to Native support. They'll give you a code and then you display it on your file manager and you should be good. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.